Hello everyone, this is Jisoo. Today I'm going to show you Boho beehive hairstyle. This is simple and easy hairdo for you. On third or fourth day of the hair wash, we are gonna need a dry shampoo and one elastic and two bobby pins. First, prep your hair with dry shampoo to get rid of any excessive sebum and section your hair round between your two prominent bone both side, and then tie it and fold your hair, make bun, and then grab your one side of the hair and leave baby hair around corner of your forehead and twist that hair and put it right underneath the bun. Secure it with a bobby pin. And the other side, always consider your face shape and cover your empty spot at the corner of your forehead and twist the strand and secure it underneath of the bun. Now your top is very flat. Just pull top of the hair one by one, and don't think about it has to be really clean, round. Just pull it and mess it up. A kind of messy style. Yeah, I really like messy and natural look. And just use your hairband or elastic, whatever you have at home. That's cute, I like it. And also you can use scarves at home, whatever you have. I tie once at the front and tie again at the back. What do you think? I like it. Messy look, undone. And also you can twist both sides of the strand and then tie one more time and then secure it again like this. It's done. It's undone and yet done. I really like it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. I love you. Bye.